Welcome back. Let's do question 741. So the information is still the same. So let's just start here. Given that theta is equal to 14,04 degrees and the tangent to F at T is perpendicular to AE, calculate the gradient of AE correct to 2 decimal places. So now question 741, we just want the gradient of AE. So how do we find the gradient? From the angle of inclination here. Remember, tan theta is equal to m. Then m is the gradient there. So meaning that tan 14,04 degrees is equal to m. Then let's put this in the calculator. Is tan 14,04 then equals, so it's 0.25006966627, which is roughly, it says correct to 2 decimal places, so this is 0.25. Okay, you see that. So it means the gradient of AE is equal to 0.25.